want to do is stand and admire nature's beauty and be inspired by its awesome power.
Look at that. Look at that. You can sit there and watch that for hours.
Now consider that view from space. Over the past 40 years, NASA astronauts have taken more than 1 million photographs of planet Earth.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. We have a liftoff.
Since the start of the satellite era, our understanding of weather and what happens and what's going on has been increased dramatically.
You're just in awe and amazement at the spectacular creation that is planet Earth.
From distant rovers to satellites, a meteorological vantage point like no other.
We're moving outside of the stratosphere, mesosphere, and we're into outer space looking down on the planet Earth. And it's just amazing some of the images that we've been able to capture.
As an Apollo 8 astronaut once said, we came all this way to explore the moon, and the most important thing that we discovered is the Earth.
The Earth needs no makeup. It needs no special dressing. It doesn't need lipstick. It doesn't need Botox. It doesn't need facelifts. The Earth looks amazing, totally naked, and natural.
Do you know what may be causing more intense storms in the United States? According to NASA researchers, stronger storms in the United States may be caused by increasing air pollution from across the Pacific. This computer animation represents air particles in different colors. Sulfates from burning fossil fuels are white. Smoke from forest fires is green. Dust from deserts is red. And sea spray from cyclones is blue. Back down on Earth, each mile of Oregon's stunning coastline is called the People's Coast and is proof positive of weather's mesmerizing beauty.
The Pacific is this giant beast with unfathomable power. The waves there are insane, especially when you have a rocky coastline like you do in Oregon.
The amount of energy in the Pacific Ocean is like no other. You could have a storm 6,000 miles across the ocean that are producing waves that you're seeing right here in the U.S.
It's not uncommon to see very significant windstorms that occur especially during the winter season.
I think this is what drives us all to weather, is we want to feel it. We want to be a part of nature. So the closer you can get to the wave, you feel a part of that. There's nothing like it. Absolutely nothing like it.
Time to test your knowledge about ice caves. Even on a cloudy day, the sun creates a magical fluorescent light show in the ice caves under Iceland's Vatnajökull Glacier. Nicknamed the Crystal Caves, they're too dangerous to visit in spring and summer, but can be safely accessed in winter when cold temperatures keep the ice strong and stable. One of the best places to admire weather is Michigan's Northern Peninsula.
I talk about the Great Lakes as being a natural laboratory for weather.
The Northern Peninsula is one of the coldest places on Earth and can get up to 300 inches of lake effect snow per year.
When cold air outbreaks occur from the North Pole, from Siberia, and go straight down over Canada, they end up here.
The Upper Peninsula is also one of the best places to see the night sky.
Because there's not a lot of civilization, because there's not a lot of industry, because there's not a lot of street lights on, you get to see it the way it was intended to be seen.
Like the amazing colors of the Aurora Borealis or Northern Lights, a gift from the faraway sun.
We see these huge coronal mass ejections that come out from the sun, and as they interact with the Earth's atmosphere, they ionize the gases, and they produce these fantastic colors. If you're far enough north and it's dark enough, you can see this just kind of wave through the atmosphere.
Here's why we all got into this, right? Views like this, they're awe-inspiring, and you can sit here forever.
I get to treat it as a science, but I don't lose the fact that it is also just a beautiful, absolutely piece of artwork.